Alright guys, after that flight, that was a 2.5 minute flight, plus a taxi back. We're going to check and see how much juice we have left in this battery. Props to GBLynden for letting me borrow it.
Beautiful Turnigy.
We'll get it out here and show you what we had going on. I had it shoved as far back as it would go. It still was a little bit on the nose heavy side for me, so I'll have to double check my marks to see if I got them right. But anyway, let's see how we did. This was fully charged when we started. Oh geez, 56%.
Dang.
Good. Well, we can bump the time up. Everything was good. Landing was good. Takeoff was good. Steering was a little soft. The crown on this road's pretty bad, so it really wanted to run one way or another. But we kept it between the lines and did good. So I look forward to the next flight. Like, comment, and subscribe. JohnVH out.